Hello amazing timeliners, good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is Timeline TV and you are welcome. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious twisted donuts. So guys, here I have my warm milk. I added a tablespoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of yeast, and I covered, set it aside and allow it to proof for 3 minutes. Then I went on to my mixing bowl. I added 3 cups of flour, sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. So after adding all this, I went in again with my yeast mix and then allowed my mixer to knead it for 7 minutes. City lights and cozy nights, exploring cultures taste so grand. 7 minutes after, I went in with my warm milk. Make sure your milk is warm, guys. Then I add in my butter and egg. Again, I run it again for another 7 minutes to knead until smooth and stretchy. My dough is looking very smooth and stretchy now. I'll oil my bowl. Make sure you oil your bowl so it will prevent this from sticking. So after oiling my bowl, I went in with the dough. I threw my dough inside, covered it to double in size. This will take 1 hour. Then 1 hour after, my dough is doubled in size, so I sprinkle some flour on the work surface. Then I cut my dough in 12 parts and then twist. From the garden to the stove, it's love in bloom. Pan sizzles and spices fill the room. Once I'm done twisting, I'll cover this for another 15 minutes to rest before I start frying them. So here I have my oil. Make sure this oil is not too hot. I'm using canola oil. So I throw in the dough, and I fried it until it's golden. Do not fry on a high heat. I fried mine on a medium heat, and keep stirring until it's golden in color. Once this is done, I transferred into a strainer, and guys, our donut is ready. Will you be trying? This is so easy. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to follow me, like, share and comment, guys. Thank you and see you again in my next video. Bye guys.